Hi there. Welcome to another episode of Eastwood Online, the podcast where we talk about how to grow, build good friendships, and leave a positive mark on the world. I'm Eastwood, your host, and today we are going to talk about something super important, but also really simple. Do you ever hear people say, I want to make a difference? Maybe you've even said it yourself. But what does it really mean? Is it about becoming famous or having millions of people follow you? Nope, not at all. Making a difference doesn't mean you have to do something huge that the whole world will notice. You can start right where you are, with the people you see every single day. Let's start with you. That's right, you are the first step to making a difference. But wait, what does that even mean? Well, it means working on yourself. You see, you can't help other people or change the world if you are not growing yourself. Think about it this way. Have you ever seen a plant grow? It starts as a tiny seed, right? But it needs water, sunlight, and care to grow into a big, strong tree or a beautiful flower. People are kind of like that also. We need to keep learning, practicing good habits, and becoming better at things like kindness, patience, and responsibility. But here's the cool part. It doesn't stop with you. Once you start growing, you can help other people grow also. Think about your friends, your brothers or sisters, or even your parents. Every time you share something you've learned or show kindness, you are making a difference in their lives as well. Now let's talk about your family. Did you know that your family is one of the most important places to make a difference? Yes, you don't have to wait until you're older or have a big job to make an impact. You can start with something as simple as being helpful at home. For example, let's say you have a younger brother or sister. When you spend time with them, help them with their homework or show them how to do something new, you are teaching them. You are helping them grow into better people, and that matters a lot. Or maybe you notice your parents are having a tough day. What if you offer to help them out? Maybe you could clean up without being asked, or just say something kind like, thanks for everything you do for me. Even small actions like that can make a big difference. Why? Because they show love, and love has a way of spreading. Making a difference doesn't mean you have to change the whole world all at once. It starts with the little things. When you treat people with kindness, help out at home, or even do your best at school, you are already making a positive impact. Here's another example. Imagine you're at school and you see someone sitting alone. What if you went over and said, hey, want to join us? That small act could totally change their day. And who knows, you might even make a new friend. But let's go back to your family for a moment, especially if you are thinking about the future. If you ever have your own kids someday, guess what? Raising them the right way will be one of the most powerful ways to make a difference. Teaching them to be kind, honest, and responsible will have an impact that lasts for generations. It's like planting seeds that grow into a forest of good things. Let me share with you a quick story. There was once a boy who decided to start helping out at home. His mom was really busy with work, and his little sister needed a lot of attention. Instead of complaining, he decided to pitch in. He started doing small things, washing the dishes, helping his sister with her reading, and even telling his mom, I appreciate everything you do. At first, he didn't think it was a big deal, but you know what happened? His mom started smiling more, his sister started doing better in school, and even he felt happier. Those little things he did made a huge difference for his family. Now, imagine if everyone did that. Just one little thing to help someone else every single day. The world would be much better. It would be a better place, wouldn't it? So here's my challenge for you. Think of one small thing you can do today to make a difference at home or with your friends. Maybe it's helping with chores, saying something kind, or even just listening when someone needs to talk. It doesn't have to be big. It just has to come from the heart. And remember, Making a difference doesn't mean you need to be famous or do something huge. It starts with you, right where you are, with the people closest to you. When you grow as a person and help others, you are already changing the world in the best way possible. Thank you for joining me on this episode of Eastwood Online. If you like today's message, share it with your family or friends, and don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out our next episode. Until then, keep growing, keep helping, and keep making a difference. You've got this.